Want to create 3D motion text like this? Let's get started. First, add a white background to your timeline. Make sure you set the ratio according to your project. Next, add your text. Adjust the font, color, and position based on your preference. In this example, I'll use 3 lines of text. After that, add one more text layer that will be used as a helper text. Set the opacity of this helper text to 0. Now, convert all text layers into compound clips. Select the top clip, then go to Tracking and choose Motion Tracking. Click Start and wait until it's finished. After that, disable the clip by pressing V on your keyboard. Select the clip below and apply motion tracking the same way. Once finished, disable the clip again. Repeat this step for the next clip. For the helper clip, don't apply motion tracking yet. Just disable the clip for now. Go back to the top clip. Enable it again, go to Tracking and click Restart. Disable it once finished. Then repeat the same process for the second and third clips. Now select the fourth clip, which is the helper clip. Enable it. Then go to Tracking and start motion tracking. Once it's finished, enable all clips. Now you can start animating your main text movement. Add a keyframe at the beginning. Move forward 1 second. Then add another keyframe. On the second keyframe, change the scale to 120%. Position the first text exactly in the center. Move forward 10 frames and add another keyframe. Then move forward 1 second again. And position the second text in the center. Repeat the same steps in the next text. To make the animation smoother, add curves. Here, I'm using cubic out. Play the video to see the result. And that's it. Your 3D motion text is ready. Simple, right? In the next video, we'll learn more editing techniques to improve your videos. So make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.